Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact 2025, and I am going to give you the easiest way to fix this problem, and I will provide you some simple tasks to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, this error usually pops up when you send too many login or action requests in a short time. Typically causes for repeated logging, server overheat, suspicious activity. For example, it could be using VPN or bots. So this is the suspicious thing why you will get this kind of a issue on your this Genshin Impact game. So let me give you some quick fixes over this platform that you need to be wait 10 to 15 minutes. Like Miaoi's system automatically limits accounts IPs after too many logging attempts. So that for a reason you need to be wait 10 to 15 minutes without retrying, often clear the restriction. Second, restart your internet router. That is, power off your router for 30 seconds, then restart. This may change your IP address, especially if you are using a dynamic IP which can bypass the request block. Third one, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Changing your network changes your IP, which can restart or reset the cooldown. Works well for mobile players or Wi-Fi user experience the issue. Then for one, like the method number 4 will be avoid logging in repeatedly. Don't spam the logging button. Every click counts as a separate request, so that for reason you need to be wait a minute between attempts. Then next step will be use the official Genshin Impact launcher or website. If you are getting this error on a third-party launcher or mobile browser, switch to Miyo launcher for PC, official app in iOS or Android, or official website. As you can see, this is the official website. So this can help you to fix your problem. And next one, you can do it by clear your caching. This is another method. Like you need to be go on your PC, then find out where is the folder, then you just need to be clean their cache. This will be like this maybe works sometimes. Then 7, check server status. You can check server status whenever you will get this kind of a issue on your Genshin Impact. Then always try to avoid VPNs or proxies. Like using a VPN can trigger security measures in Genshin antibot system. So always disable VPNs and connect from a regular local network if possible. So in this way you are able to overcome all those issues. I hope this video was informative for you. If you think this video was informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.